Hey guys, welcome into another weekly portfolio update. So starting off with all the information I got here in the thumbnail. House currently worth 620k, net worth 306k. Stocks are down this week, down $1,421. So the total current portfolio value is $50,857, which on my cost basis of $59,000 is a total current loss of $8,143, which is 13.8%. And crypto going the other way this week. Crypto is positive, so $685 up. On a cost basis of this is 3,000 New Zealand dollars. Yeah, that's pretty much all that's in the thumbnail. So this is the portfolio. These are all the positions. These are the total percentages down, currently all down. Also, in one of my last videos, I mentioned this saying 18% down, and over in Sharesies, it's saying 3.3% up. And I figured out why that is. It's because I sold some at a higher price than it currently is now. So, yeah, if we look, 2nd of December, sold $1,224 for share price $705, and it's now worth $472. So that's the reason that shows up incorrectly in Sharesies. Yeah, I don't really like that, but I mean, there's no perfect way to project these numbers that everyone will like. Someone will always complain that they calculate their numbers differently, so I mean, I've got it over here. I know that the loss on the current position held is 18%, based on my cost basis and not calculating in the profit that I made from selling some. Yeah, so the market this week, the S&P 500 was up 1.8%, Nasdaq up 2.2%, but the Russell is down 0.38%, along with my portfolio also being down this week. It's about 3% down, so underperforming the market, and you can see why that is right here. So if we look at my positions by market value, we can see my 5th largest position is Honest, and yeah, it went down 20% on earnings. So yeah, not a great week for Honest. Immediately a 29%, basically a 30% drop. Yeah, so not so great. Not the greatest week for Honest. They reported earnings, and basically they had comped against some really good numbers last year and the year before because of the global pandemic. They got into some sanitization products and they were selling very well and they were making a lot of money from that. And then coming into 2021, they were comping against those 2020 numbers, and those 2020 numbers were obviously all skewed by that situation. So they had less than they would like on the growth side of things. It brought down all the numbers across the board just because it's included in all the overall numbers. So yeah, that kind of hit the business a bit. I only bought like $50 of the stock when it crashed because I wake up like well after market open, and yeah, if we look on the graph here, so that's where it opened on Friday. I don't generally put in buys for market open, but if I did, I would have lost out there because opened at 493, and then by the time I woke up, it had already bottomed down at 424, and it was all the way up at 475, no, a bit above that, just like 470 something. So I bought $50 of Honest at 479. I didn't want to put more because it had just been down at 424, and I was like, damn, missed the boat on that. I was hoping it would go down a bit more, and I mean, it went down the tiniest bit. We'll see how it goes this next week. I might put a little bit more money into it. Yeah, but I don't have any money to put into the account, so I literally have like 150 New Zealand dollars that I might put into, probably will put into Honest over the next week. And then that'll be all the money I have left in my portfolios currently. I mean, if there's any more dips, obviously I'll get more money into the account, but yeah, at the moment I don't want to put any more money in. Yeah, just getting low on cash reserves. This is my hatch portfolio as well, in case anyone wants to see these actual positions, because this, yeah, the shares over here, this is all just correlated data from Sharesies and Hatch, and also my Interactive Brokers account. Next, looking at the Yardeni Research graphs on forward PEs. So we've got large caps are coming back up. They bottomed out about 18, probably like 19 and a half now, so they're moving a little bit up. Mid caps, similar thing, moving up, but still probably a little bit undervalued. And then small caps kind of trading in a range now. They're kind of bouncing up and down, but also quite undervalued. Like if you look on the graph here, it doesn't trade this low usually, like doesn't trade with such low forward PEs this often. So yeah, still plenty of deals to be found out there in the small caps, in my opinion. Yeah, that's pretty much all for that. We'll move on and show all my positions, how they perform this week. So my largest two positions are Tattooed Chef and Corsair Gaming. Down 0.81% on Tattooed Chef, not really much of anything. Down a couple percent on Corsair Gaming. Palantir managed to get a gain. Smile Direct Club, gain as well. Coinbase, small gain. Fiverr down a little bit, and Planet 13 had a great week, which is actually kind of unfortunate because it was just down at like $2, and I was, in my last video I mentioned that I might want to put some more money into it, but yeah, I definitely missed the boat on that one because it's up 33% since the week's low. Yeah, so all the businesses in this specific line of business are doing very well this week. Yeah, I'm actually not 100% sure why that is, but what that means for me is that I missed the boat on buying Planet 13 at $1.88 a share. So yeah, that's a little bit unfortunate. If it revisits lows, I might also put some more money into this one. Yeah, that's pretty much all I have for stocks this week. So on to crypto. Crypto had a great week. We're up $685 on the crypto portfolio. Ethereum, which is the one that I mine, my crypto mining, is 3,138. So yeah, that's a pretty good price. It's moving back up. Obviously, all-time highs were like 4,800, so a long way to go back up, but also significantly off of lows. And Bitcoin 44k, if anyone tracks Bitcoin. Yeah, probably no one tracks the rest of them, just kind of insignificant coins. Yeah, onto so I've got my earnings in here. I also have like 1.08 Ethereum cashed out into a wallet. So yeah, mining quite a bit of Ethereum at this point. Like I got around 900 mega hash on my mining, so getting close to a gigahash. Also mostly fairly efficient. Like these two rigs have AMD cards in them, and you can see, even though the software power draw is inaccurate, you can see that it's efficient anyway. This one not so much. The NVIDIA rig draws way too much power for what it does, but yeah, just kind of spreading the risk factor by having NVIDIA cards as well. Yeah, not really much to say on the crypto front either. Not really a lot has happened, just, you know, more positivity in the crypto space, and the prices have just moved up a bit. Some of them quite significantly, some of them not much at all though. Yeah. that's all I got for this week's portfolio update. So yeah, have a great week, and leave a like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. See ya.